Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Ms. Shida and my fellow friends. So today, me, Muhammad Syahmi Muhammad Jafi, along with my friends, Muhammad Azra Amin bin Khair Anwar, will be presenting about artificial organ and the significance for the artificial organ. Next. Okay, some of the significance of artificial organs, it can be used to extend one life and also can be used to make a new life for the limbless persons. Okay, next. So first, the increase of lifespan. The first one is give ample, which is enough. Give enough time to recover from end stage disease, and also it gives enough time to find a suitable donor. Okay, so give enough time to recover from end stage disease. So how it can be done? The malfunctioned organs can be treated outside of the human body itself. This can be done by extracting or removing the organ that is malfunctioned in the human body and remove that tissue, and next is insert a new live tissue. By using this method, it actually can modify with the other tissue because we know that the tissue can multiply by itself. Okay, next is give enough time to find a suitable donor. Okay, next. Okay, the awareness of the organ donor nowadays is actually quite low. So by using an artificial organ, it can help patients to search for a suitable donor while they're having the end stage disease. Okay, next, this statistic shows about the organ donor. So on the green line, this actually shows the donors itself, and the red line is actually shows the transplant that has been conducted. So from these two lines, we can see that the number of donors is actually quite low compared to the number of transplant. And if we compare the number of donors, the waiting list, which is actually the gray line, the difference between these two lines is quite high on 2013, which is more than 100,000 people actually have been is actually in the waiting list. So next, I'll pass this presentation to my friends Nazir Amin.
Next is impossibility for impaired person to live as a normal being. By using biologically engineered eye, the blind can see as a normal person again, and by using artificial organ or artificial limbs, the damaged organ or limb can be replaced. So biologically engineered eye can give light back to the blind. Okay. To repair the damage that has been caused for the blind, we must first know the causes for blindness. First is macular degeneration, tumor, physical damage, and amblyopia. Okay, how does bionic eye work? A microchip is designed to restore vision function and is implanted to the back of the retina, and a camera which will be put at a pair of spectacles that the wearer will wear. The camera will transmit image to the microchip, so the microchip can display the image back to the retina. Next is the video which will explain how bionic eye works.
Sight-impaired Australians have an age-related disease known as macular degeneration. The disease causes cells in the retina
It's what macular degeneration
to stop converting absorbed light into electrochemical signals. As the signal is not received by the brain, a complete image is not formed, and blindness is the result. A consortium of Australian researchers has been formed to develop a microchip that is implanted in the retina and restores functional.
This is the microchip that will be implanted at the back of the retina.
Bionic Ear Institute, the University of Melbourne, Centre for Eye Research Australia, and the University of New South Wales. The challenge is to develop a chip with a large number of electrodes, because more electrodes result in a higher pixel count and clearer vision for the patient. If successful, Victor's bionic eye technology will result will be to restore the user's sight to a level where they'll no longer be legally blind. The prototype will most likely look like this: a camera attached to a pair of spectacles. The tiny camera will transmit images via high-frequency radio waves to the microchip implanted in the retina. This data is converted to electrical impulses which, through the aid of electrodes, stimulate cells that connect to the optic nerve. The electrical impulses are then interpreted by the brain as an image. It's estimated that this project will take around
that's how the
5 to 7
machine
years to complete. The benefits of this technology are obvious, combining advanced engineering with medical know-how to restore sight, enabling people to live more independent and mobile lives.
Artificial organ can replace the damaged organ. So the effect of the loss of limbs or organ to daily routines. When the effect is having difficulty in handling tasks and may cause difficulty to others, which is around us. So bionic limb is a new life for the limbless, and as new technology advances, they provide more possibility for the limbless to do more physical activities like a normal being. So this video is about
prosthetic
a
limbs
new
have
technology
mastered
that
most
provide
functions of the human
artificial
body.
arm that
But one feature that has eluded science
sense of
thus far
touch.
is touch. Until now, researchers from the University of Chicago published a paper Monday explaining how they replicated the feeling of touch for monkeys through a prosthetic hand. The sense of touch humans naturally feel comes from nerve cells in various body parts. This new method uses electrodes in the nerve cells' place. Discovery explains it this way: just as natural limbs send signals to the brain, the artificial one would do so too, except it will be through electrodes linked to the relevant parts of the brain rather than nerve cells. The lead researcher for this study says prosthetic hand development can't move forward without the sense of touch. If you really want to create an arm that can actually be used dexterously without an enormous amount of concentration it takes without sensory feedback, you need to restore the somatosensory feedback. This study is a part of the Revolutionizing Prosthetics Project, which is funded by the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, or DARPA. The goal of the project is to create artificial upper limbs that will restore natural motor control and sensation in amputees. Researchers say the next step is to use this method as a blueprint for experiments on human amputees. For Newsy, I'm Jamal Andrews.
Okay, so as a conclusion, artificial organs are needed because of its significance. Like what we have said earlier, the significance is increased lifespan, provide new possibility for the entire person. Okay, I think that's all from us. Thank you.